Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to fix that your earbuds Samsung Galaxy 3 FE don't respond or respond slowly to the touch controls. So actually, here we have a couple of things. At first, what I recommend doing is to restart, close the case, and open it back again after the 10 seconds, and restart your earbuds. This should help you. If it didn't help you, restart your phone. Restarting the phone should easily help too. If it didn't help you still, charge your earbuds up to 1% and check that out then. If it still doesn't work, I do recommend factory resetting them. Close the case, open the case, hold the button on the bottom, the circle button on the bottom until you see these LED lights. Close the case, open the case, hold the buttons right again, and now they are factory reset and they should be working. If they are not working, you have to contact the device support because your earbuds might be just broken. Goodbye.